In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio track to your card site and publish it. First, open your card site in the editor. On the canvas, look for the plus button, sometimes labeled Add. It's usually near the top or along the side of the interface. Click that to open the element menu. This is where you choose what kind of content you want to place on your page. From the element menu, select the audio element. It looks like an icon for sound or music. Once you click it, Card will drop an audio placeholder onto your page and open the settings panel for that element. If it lands in an unexpected spot, don't worry, you can drag it where you want later. The key right now is to get the audio source set correctly. In the audio settings, you'll see a field for the URL. Paste the link to the specific track, album, or set you want to feature. Card supports services like SoundCloud and Bandcamp, and you can also use a link from Google Drive. What matters most is that the link points directly to the audio content, not a general homepage or profile page. For example, a SoundCloud track page or a Bandcamp album page is fine, but the site's main URL won't work. If your audio lives in Google Drive, open that file in Drive, then click the link icon to copy the shareable link. Make sure you're copying the link for the file itself. Paste that link into the card URL field. If you run into an error or the audio won't load, double check that the file's sharing settings allow access via the link. Some services require the link to be publicly viewable for the player to work properly. After pasting the URL, give the page a quick look. You can reposition the audio element to fit your layout and confirm that the player appears the way you expect. If you play it in the editor and it doesn't preview, that's okay. Publishing the site is the best way to test the live player. When you're satisfied it's time to publish, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. Choose your publishing options, then confirm. Card will process your site and provide a live URL. Open that link in a browser, play your audio, and make sure everything sounds good. That's it. You clicked Add, chose audio, pasted a direct track or album URL using the link icon for Google Drive if needed, and then published your site. You now have a live card page with embedded audio ready to share.